Wacker-Neuson EW100. The Wacker-Neuson EW100 wheeled excavator is a modern, powerful, and versatile machine designed to meet the demanding requirements of the construction and urban construction industry. The vehicle is equipped with an engine Perkins 8.5 for E-tier for final, 4 cylinders, 3.4L, 73 horsepower. Maximum speed of 40 kilometers per hour, operating weight up to 10 tons. Equipped with a bucket with a capacity of up to 1 cubic meter. The cabin is designed with large windows and an optimal digging boom arrangement, providing a wide view, increasing safety during operation. Ability to move quickly and flexibly on many terrains, suitable for urban work and areas with limited space. Wacker-Neuson EW100 is ideal for work such as digging foundations, installing infrastructure systems, making roads, and construction projects in urban areas.
Komasu PC8000. Komasu PC8000 is one of the largest hydraulic excavators produced by Komatsu, with 2 diesel engines providing about 4,020 horsepower. Equipped with a bucket of up to 40 cubic meters, the PC8000 is the best choice for handling large volumes of soil, rock, and minerals in a short time, helping to optimize the mining process. XCMG XD 130. XCMG XDE130 is a mining truck designed to transport large quantities of materials in mining operations. It is designed to withstand the harsh conditions of mining sites, including rough terrain and heavy loads.
Sherpa Z20. The Sherpa Z20 electric mini excavator is an advanced, powerful, and environmentally friendly solution suitable for construction, demolition, and maintenance work in tight spaces or areas requiring zero emissions. Lithium-ion battery, 13.5 kilowatt hours, allowing continuous operation up to 6 hours. If charged for an additional 1 hour, it can be used for up to 8 hours. For a maximum speed of 7.5 kilometers per hour. Hydraulic transmission system. For hydraulic wheel motors, providing powerful and flexible operation, skid steering enhances maneuverability in tight spaces. Sherpa Z20 supports more than 200 different types of accessories, including buckets, pallet jacks, dozer blades, earth augers, lawn mowers, etc.
Hybrid loader. Hybrid loader is a type of wheel loader that is usually equipped with a combination of diesel engine and electric system. Hybrid loader can significantly reduce fuel consumption. Some hybrid loader models have the ability to regenerate energy during deceleration or braking, storing this energy for reuse when needed, optimizing operating performance. ER295. The Spider Crane URW-95 is a multi-purpose mini crane, commonly used in construction, maintenance, and areas with limited space. With its compact design, this crane is able to access narrow locations that larger cranes cannot reach. The Spider Crane URW-95 has a lifting capacity of up to 2.9 tons and a maximum lifting height of approximately 8.65 meters. This crane is remote controlled, increasing flexibility and safety during operation.
Ventra for 520. The Ventra for 1520 is a compact tractor designed for efficient year-round operation, suitable for a variety of tasks such as mowing, snow removal, tillage, and landscape maintenance. With more than 30 attachments, the Ventra 4520 offers flexibility and high performance for the user. The vehicle is equipped with a Yanmar 3T NV860 993cc diesel liquid-cooled engine. Maximum speed up to 16 km per hour. Full-time fork-wheel drive with a flex frame chassis allows the machine to rotate and oscillate flexibly, suitable for complex terrain. Allows quick and easy front attachment changes, increasing work efficiency. More than 30 types of attachments, such as lawn mowers, leaf blowers, snow plows, tillers, brush cutters, etc., make the machine suitable for many different jobs.
Jando Sunfish Trencher. The Jando Sunfish tunnel boring machine is a specialist underwater construction machine designed to excavate tunnels and install cables or pipelines on the seabed. Jando is a leading global marine dredging and construction company, and the Sunfish tunnel boring machine is part of their advanced machinery fleet, used on a wide range of offshore and underwater projects. Simex TF1100. Simex TF1100 is a specialized cutting head mounted on excavators, widely used in jobs such as demolition, stone cutting, concrete cutting, and working in mining or underwater environments. This cutting head stands out with its precise and powerful cutting ability, suitable for projects requiring high durability and performance. Komasu GP4. The Komasu GP4 is a specialist machine designed for laying concrete surfaces and pavements. The GP4 is capable of laying concrete in a variety of widths, making it versatile for a variety of paving projects. The machine is designed to lay concrete efficiently and accurately, ensuring a smooth and even surface. The machine is equipped with advanced control systems for precise application. Manhole Cutter. Manhole Cutter is a specialized equipment used to cut manholes during road construction and maintenance. This equipment is designed to create precise, clean cuts around manholes, making it easier to upgrade or repair underground infrastructure. Rockhog Surface Miner. The Rockhog Surface Miner is a specialized mining equipment designed to efficiently mine and process rocks and minerals from the surface. It is commonly used in surface mining operations due to its ability to cut, crush, and load material in a single operation. Rockhog is equipped with advanced cutting and crushing technology, allowing it to break and process rocks efficiently.
Effer 2255. The Effer 2255 hydraulic folding crane is one of the most powerful crane models of the Effer brand, designed to handle heavy lifting tasks in the construction, industrial, and transportation sectors. Progress 2.0 control system provides an intuitive interface with an always-on control panel, making it easy for the operator to monitor and control the crane in all lighting conditions. The crane structure is optimized for installation on 4 or 5 axle trucks with different axle spacings, ensuring flexibility in operation. Using new lubrication technology with copper material, increasing durability and reducing wear on moving parts. The outrigger system can extend more than 11 meters, combined with a sturdy chassis, ensuring high stability during operation. The Effer 2255 is ideal for jobs that require heavy lifting at heights and long reach, such as steel structure installation, construction material handling, and heavy industrial projects.
Volvo L18. Volvo L18H is a wheel loader designed for heavy lifting and material handling in various industries, including construction, mining, and quarrying. It stands out for its performance, efficiency, and advanced technology. The L18H is equipped with a high-performance motor that provides powerful power and torque, allowing it to handle heavy loads and demanding jobs efficiently. TA230 Electronic. The TA230 Electronic is a dump truck manufactured by Liebherr. The 6x6 drive system allows the vehicle to maintain good traction on steep and muddy terrain. The TA230 is equipped with a high-powered diesel engine capable of carrying loads of up to 28 tons. This equipment is often used in mining projects, large construction projects, and heavy infrastructure works. Nexat 56 meters. The Nexat 56 meters is an advanced agricultural tractor designed for agricultural and farming tasks. It features advanced technology and versatility in modern agricultural operations. The Nexat tractor has a modular design, allowing for customization and adaptation to different agricultural needs. This design may include interchangeable components or accessories for different agricultural tasks. Shell Oil Platform. Shell oil platforms are offshore oil rigs, one of the world's largest oil and gas companies, used to extract oil and gas from undersea deposits. Shell uses modern technology to extract oil and gas in deep sea and offshore areas. Optimus H88. Optimus H88 Twirl is a specialized equipment in the construction industry. The machine is designed to cut pavement stones with high precision, ensuring that the stones are cut to the required size and shape. McMahon PC for OOO. The McMahon PC for OOO Heavy-Duty Mobile Demolition Scissor refers to a dedicated demolition tool integrated with the Komasu PC for OOO Excavator. Designed to cut through large and dense materials, such as steel beams, reinforced concrete, and other heavy industrial structures. XCMG at 110. XCMG ET110 is a mobile walking excavator, commonly known as a spider excavator. Is a versatile construction equipment designed to operate on difficult and uneven terrains that traditional excavators may have difficulty with. The ET110 can be equipped with an adjustable undercarriage mechanism, allowing it to maintain stability and balance on uneven terrain. Rockhog Refinator H4. Rockhog Refinator H4 is a specialized equipment used for soil improvement. Designed with a special cutting blade and crushing system, it is capable of cutting, crushing, and breaking underground rocks. Refinator H4 helps to process fields containing many hard rocks, turning them into fertile farmland. Trackless Snow Lion. Trackless Snow Lion is a specialized equipment designed to clear snow from roads, sidewalks, and public areas in cold weather conditions. This equipment not only has the ability to clear snow quickly, but also ensures the safety of traffic participants on heavy snow days. Hydraulic Forestry Winch. Hydraulic Forestry Winch is a specialized winch that uses a hydraulic system. Equipped with a motor with a large pulling force of up to 10 tons. It helps pull timber, felled trees, and other heavy materials from forest areas to more accessible locations, serving the processing or transportation. Telehandler Extra 5010OG. The XR5010OG telehandler is a forklift designed to lift and move materials on construction sites and in industrial environments. It has a long boom, providing a high reach, allowing the telehandler to place materials at great heights and distances. This reach is ideal for accessing difficult or elevated areas. Our T115 PT. Rock saw trencher ditch, which our T115 PT is a cutting and digging machine specially designed to handle earthwork and rock cutting in construction and mining projects. It is a versatile equipment, suitable for jobs that require handling hard and difficult to dig materials. Backhole Loader. Backhole Loader is a versatile construction machine, combining the main devices, a loader at the front and an excavator at the back. Equipped with an engine from 60 to 100 horsepower, it can dig from 3 to 6 meters deep. It is an important device in construction, agriculture, and small to medium-sized projects because of its high versatility. Shoiro SPMT. Shoiro SPMT is an extremely versatile and robust vehicle used to transport extremely heavy loads. SPMT is commonly used in industries such as construction, shipbuilding, and transporting large industrial components such as transformers, generators, and even bridge sections.
Python 5000. Python 5000 is a self-propelled pothole patcher designed so that one operator can perform the entire patching process without leaving the cab. This machine increases efficiency and safety in road maintenance. The entire pothole patching process is controlled from the cab with a simple joystick. Can patch an average pothole within 2 minutes. Uses hydraulic pressure control rollers to ensure good compaction, creating a semi-permanent patch. Equipped with a John Deere 1045 HF 485 engine, can move at high speed on the road to work sites. The multi-axis arm can move sideways, forward and backward, extending up to 1.2 meters from under the cab and providing lateral movement up to 1.8 meters.
LEONG 952E Excavator. The LEONG 95E is a heavy-duty excavator designed with a long and powerful bucket that is capable of performing high-performance digging and shoveling tasks, suitable for large projects. The machine is equipped with a powerful diesel engine, providing the necessary power to perform digging, shoveling, and moving earth and rock effectively.
Bye bye!